Assalamualaikum. This is Mohammed Arham. I'm co-director learning and guidance. And the idea behind this department was to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Initially, when we started, it was just an idea. We had no clue कि हम किस direction में जाएंगे, क्या चीज़ें होंगी. But as we went on, हमें clarity मिलती गई. So far, what we are trying to do is हम हर वीक एक केस स्टडी करते हैं जो कि हमारी डिपार्टमेंट के मेंबर्स जाते हैं. They perform history, GPE, labs देखते हैं and then they build a case and वो case फिर हम Instagram पे डालते हैं for everyone to see and benefit from it. Other than that, what we've realized is in ourselves and others is कि जो history के components हैं वो हमारे clear नहीं हैं, जो GPE के components हैं वो हमारे clear नहीं हैं, हमें labs पढ़नी नहीं आती, let alone diagnosis तो बहुत दूर की बात है, right? So this is where IME comes in, and we are trying to help each and everyone, trying to become better physicians. Okay, so far what we've managed to achieve is we've built a system around case discussions where each week some members of our team visit the ward. They perform history, general physical examination. They look at the labs and diagnosis, and through this they build a case. एंड उसके बाद व्हाट वी ट्राई टू डू इज़ हम उसको इंस्टाग्राम पे डालते हैं ताकि सोशल मीडिया पे everyone can benefit from them. Other than this, what we are doing right now is we are holding sessions. हम वीकली बेसिस में उन चीज़ों को प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, देन डिस्कस करते हैं, एंड वी आर होपिंग दैट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन हमारे सारे मेंबर्स तैयार होंगे. They will be teaching everyone else because like a wise person once said, you're not the source, you're only a pipeline. जितना आप आगे पहुंचाते हो उतना आपको मिलता है. This is from we have really exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you so much.